Hey guys, hello everyone and welcome to the channel. So this video I'm making to inform you guys regarding the PhD admissions which have been recently opened up in IITs and IISERs. So some of the IITs and IISERs, they have opened PhD admission for the session of 2021-2022. So this video is all to inform you about it. Okay, so what you need to know and all the things I'm going to discuss in this video. So watch this video carefully and completely to get the complete information. Now before going into the video, let me tell you about my classes which are running on Unacademy Plus platform. So if you guys are interested to join and if you are preparing for the upcoming CSIR exam, then you can join my classes over Unacademy Plus platform. You can join so by using my referral code, that is N_Huda, to get the discount benefit as well as to get added in the WhatsApp discussion group. First of all, I'll talk about IIT Delhi. This is the website of this is the official website of IIT Delhi. All you have to do is go to the admission section and go to PG admission including PhD. Okay, just click over here and you will be taken to the page where your notification is there. Okay, so this is e-admission portal of your IIT Delhi, and here it says that important announcement regarding PG admission. So PG admission and PhD admission, both notifications are given both the informations are basically given in a collective announcement. Okay, so you don't have to worry about that this is for PG student. No, it's for PG plus PhD both. Okay, so here you go. Here it says that the PG admission for semester 1 of PG/PhD program is there. Here is your advertisement and this is your information brochure. So first of all, let's see the advertisement, that what does it says. So in the advertisement, it is all the basic informations, like all the informations which you need to know, means when it is going to start and when is the last date. So all of those things are mentioned over here. So you can see the PhD department, because we are more concerned about it. If let's say you are concerned about MSc or some other admissions, that also you can check out. But see, here it says PhD admissions in applied mechanics, bioengineering and biotechnology, chemical engineering and chemistry. Okay, so here is your chemistry which you can see, and all the other subjects which are there. So the admissions have been opened, and if you come down, it says that the online application is going to start from 15th of March and it will end on 24th of April. So you have to fill the form within this particular time. So just read out this information. Okay, just a few few details are given over there, but yet you should know about it. Coming back to the thing and coming back to the PG admission, let's go to the information brochure to know more about the eligibility and all the related stuffs. All right, so here if you go in this and you read it out, so initially, like all the basic information, all their introduction and all the things are there. These are the important dates. As I told you, submission of online application is started on 15th of March. It will end on 24th of April, and the range of dates of test will be from 10th of May to 23rd of June. If the test or interview, anything whichever is required, the date is this. Okay, so the interviews or test will be basically for PhD interviews are there. So from 10th to 23rd of June, 10th May to 23rd of June will be the date of interview. Date of orientation and registration of new student will be on 25th or 26th of August, and new classes or new batch is going to start from 27th of August. Okay, so these are all important dates. After that, you have all the other informations like the details and all. Here you can see that yeah, so here PhD admission process and everything is given to you. Okay, so here it says that PhD program, they have given you that what are the different schools and departments in the IIT and where they are taking admission. So you can read it out in annexure 1 basically. Okay, so they have just discussed about the credit criteria that you will get to know once you take admission, that how much credit you need to know or how much credit you need to pass in the first year of your PhD, that is your coursework. Then admission to the PhD program, it says that it's normally made on the basis of interview of the eligible candidate conducted by the department, center/school. Through this department research committee, there is a committee which will be made, which is going to take your interview, and so this says that it may decide to conduct a written test as well or multiple interviews. So it rarely happens, but if let's say the DRC committee which has taken your interview, they want to take your written test as well, they can decide for that. Even they can take multiple number of interviews of yours. although it rarely happens. Okay, it's just given as a point that it might happen if it is required. Okay, let's talk about minimum qualification for admission of your PhD program. So here goes your minimum qualification. So if you are MSc qualified, in that case you need 60% marks, 60% marks you need, and with that you also need GATE qualified, CSIR UGC NET qualified, or ICAR qualified, or ICMR, or a DST Inspire. So ICAR and ICMR, these are for your bio students, but for chemistry students only GATE, CSIR UGC NET and DST Inspire, these three are valid. So if you have qualified any one of these, and if you get 60% marks in your MSc, then yes, you can apply for this. In case you are a MTech student and you want to take admission in PhD, you don't need to qualify any of this exam. You just need 60% marks in the qualifying exam, that means in your MTech exam. Okay, so this is about your IIT Delhi. I hope that this is much clear. You have to just read out all the things. It's a 42-page information brochure. Most of the things are like all the informations are there. Just about admission, whatever was required, I just told you over here. All right, now let's go to the other institute which has opened its admission process. So as I told you already, let's get back to this once again. The date is up till 24th of April. So if you have qualified these exams, and if you are willing to take admission in IIT Delhi, and if you are interested in it, you should definitely go for it. Okay, you should try for this, you should apply for this particular institute. The next institute which we will talk about is IISER Kolkata, IISER, Indian Institute of Science, Education and Research. IISER Kolkata, it's one of the known and it's one of the very good institute for your PhD program. This is the official website. You have to come down over here, and here it says PhD Autumn 2021 advertisement. You just have to click over here and it will redirect you to the advertisement page. Okay, now advertisement for the admission of PhD program for the autumn semester 2021 is here. Since we are concerned about chemical sciences, let's go over here, and here it says Department of Chemical Sciences at IISER Kolkata invites application for a regular PhD program for the autumn session. And in organic, physical and theoretical chemistry, they have asked minimum eligibility criteria is mentioned over here, that bright and motivated candidates who have passed MSc examination with minimum 55% marks in any of the field of chemistry. That means organic, inorganic, physical or theoretical, any of the field of chemistry or physics. So chemistry and physics, both candidates are eligible for taking admission in PhD chemistry. Okay, besides satisfying minimal eligibility criteria, the candidate must have CSIR, UGC, NET, JRF, Inspire fellowship or other equivalent fellowship. So the candidate is only eligible for this if you have 55% marks in your masters, plus you also have qualified CSIR, UGC, NET, like CSIR, JRF, basically not NET, CSIR, JRF, or you have Inspire fellowship. So any of these if you have, you can apply for this. Although it says that candidate who have Inspire fellowship, they should also have provisional certificate at the time of application. All the informations are given over here. Reservations will be given as per the Government of India rules. Everything is over here. Now specific, now it says that the departmental faculty profiles can be found over here. You can click here to check out the profiles which are available, or which you can check out the profile of the supervisors over there. You can read out all the other informations which are given on this particular page. There are different like subjects and topics, specific research also going on, so you can check it out and you can read about them as well in detail. All right, the next institute which I'm going to talk about is IISER Bhopal. This is the official website of IISER Bhopal. All the links will be there in the description of this video, so don't worry about that. You can reach out to all these websites through those links. Now here you can see that in the academic section, if you go and if you see the announcement section, here it says admission and PhD. You can click over here to reach out to the page of PhD. Now here it says that application are invited for admission to PhD program in biological sciences, chemical engineering and chemistry. Okay, earth science and environmental science, and all the subjects which are inviting for the PhD. So here you can check out, and the notice for the admission of PhD program is here. You can click over here to read out the notice. Basically the notice over here says that your admission for the academic year is invited, and PhD in the subjects are mentioned over here. Integrated PhD program is also applicable for chemistry, mathematics and physics, and the last date of application is 5th of April. So you should be careful with the date. Okay, you should know what the date are. All right, now here it says that to submit the online PhD program for chemical sciences, you have to click here. So whatever is the concerned like link, you have to select that. let's talk about the eligibility criteria for chemistry. Okay, so Department of Chemistry, here you have organic, inorganic and physical, all these three like subjects, and there are the different topics under these subjects which are being offered from the institute. Okay, so these topics they are having the faculties and they are going to take admission for. So under inorganic chemistry there is supramolecular crystallography, transition metal chemistry, molecular materials. So you can read about all these things. Okay, you will get to know that what are the topics basically which they are offering to you. Eligibility criteria, if you go for that, so MSc/MTech degree with the relevant discipline of minimum of 60% marks. So they require minimum of 60% marks in MSc, or your CGPA should be 7 or more on the scale of 10. Okay, and you should have math also. Okay, mathematics in 10+2 level is desirable. Okay, so if you are taking under chemistry, if you have maths, it's desirable. For application to be considered in physical chemistry, mathematics in 10+2 as well as in BSc is mandatory. Okay, so this is very important, that if you are applying for physical chemistry topic, you should have mathematics in 10+2, that means in class 12th, as well as in your BSc also. Only marks like percentage are going to be considered. Only grades, that means CGPA, are going to be considered, and all these things are written to you. Additionally, what additional thing you need is a national level examination like NET, okay, GATE, UGC JRF, CSIR JRF, Inspire, or NET LS or Rajiv Gandhi Fellowship. Any of these recognized score is mandatory. So either you should get your NET plus JRF, or either if you have NET also, then also you can apply for this. Okay, so either if you just have NET, then also you can apply for this. If you have GATE, then also you can apply for this. UGC JRF, then also you can apply. CSIR JRF, then also you can apply. Inspire, then also you can apply. Okay, so all these things, if you have, see, they have mentioned if you have NET LS, then also you can apply. Okay, so it's not required to have JRF to apply for IISER Bhopal. Okay, so you can apply if you just have LS degree as well. So these were few of the institutes which have offered or which have opened their admission portal till now. Even IISER Pune has also started, but let me tell you, the IISER Pune, if you go for this, I have checked it out, it says that admission process has been only started for earth and climate science. For chemistry, the admission are not yet open for the August section, and like it will just come very soon. Okay, so for chemistry it will come very soon. So these were some of the institutes and which are offering your admission for the PhD program of August 2021 session, or you can say 2021 and 2022 session. If you are eligible for any one of them, you should apply for that. Also, keep checking the official websites of all the IITs and all the IISERs. Okay, I'll try to keep you guys updated, but in case if I lose or if I miss out any of the institute, do let me know in the comment section. Also, you also guys have to keep on checking the official websites. Okay, because you should not you should not leave opportunity to take admission in any of these IITs or IISERs, right? So this was all about this video, guys. I hope that you found this video helpful. Stay updated and stay tuned for more such videos which are going to come in future regarding the other admission notification which will come in the IITs, right? So that's all from my side. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.